Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing Word so spell check can run continuously. Open your document, then go to File, Options, Proofing. This is where Word's spell and grammar engines live. Turn on Check Spelling as you type and mark grammar errors as you type so underlines appear immediately. Make sure the correct editing language is selected for your text and that Do Not Check Spelling or Grammar is unchecked. Once those settings are set, Word is ready to identify misspellings automatically as you type. Next, you apply language and dictionary controls so Word flags the right issues. Select the text or whole document, then choose Review, Language, Set Proofing Language, and pick the exact language variant. Regional mismatches often silence checks. Add specialized vocabulary by importing a Dic Custom Dictionary or editing the main custom dictionary from proofing options. Also update auto-correct and exception lists so common typos are fixed automatically. Once dictionaries and language match your content, spell check will be both accurate and finish by running a manual pass and resolving errors that remain. Open Review, Spelling and Grammar to step through flagged items and accept or ignore suggestions. This ensures nothing slips through. If words lack underlines, recheck the proofing language for selected text and clear any Do Not Check Spelling or grammar boxes. If problems persist, save, restart Word, and if necessary run an Office quick repair or online repair to restore proofing components. One tip: corrupted normal. .m can block checking, rename it, and restart Word to rebuild it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.